Hello, can you hear me? Um, this is good. This is good fun. Thanks to these sessions, at least नए कपड़े पहनने को मिल रहा है. Otherwise, usually in your shorts and t-shirt. Wow, that's a barrage of messages. Guys, all of you, a very happy Earth Day. Earth Day means a lot of things to a lot of people, but hey, SG family, I know you will be here in hundreds, thousands, but I think the most beautiful gift that all of us have in this earth is this incredible talent called Shreya Ghoshal. All of you know her as this amazing singer, an amazing artist, but I know her as this beautiful human being and one of my best friends for the last 20-25 years. And it's so amazing that I hope, keep on fingers crossed with technology and Wi-Fi and everything is okay. She will be here joining us. It was her idea कि इसको बुलाते हैं yesterday once more, and the reason is very simple कि it was before this lockdown now. Every day was beautiful, maza, fun, fantastic, and suddenly lockdown में सब कुछ अलग हो गया, but we keep on talking about it. Every other day I call her up or she calls me up. We discuss menus and recipes, but more importantly we discuss about those days, that mad days spending in studio doing things, ye wo. So you just want those days back here. You want your days back, we want our days back. And that's when we realized that why don't we call this yesterday once more? Because I think what keeps all of us going is that nostalgia. What do I have to say about Shreya? She's mad, completely. And and I think she vibes with me because I don't think I'm also very, very normal, which stories she'll tell you. But oh my God, there's so many people and all Shreya Ghoshal fans. So I need to tell this to the Shreya Ghoshal fan club before she enters, is that I know you're Shreya Ghoshal fan club, but the amount of love that you show me each day is just amazing, and it's a thank you to all of you that so much of love comes to me from you guys, and so obliged for that. Every composer has a dream that if Shreya Ghoshal can sing on that composition, magic will happen. And I'm no different. Right from that first day, Yahan, I still remember that song, Pooche Jo Koi Meri Nishani. And there was this young girl with a father who came to the studio just to meet first, because I always like to share the composition first, if the scale is okay and all those things are okay or not. But she'll be coming soon, guys. No problem, don't worry. Yeah, I know she's goddess. Yeah, but she took down the composition. Then another 3-4 days went by, and when she came, when she stands in front of the microphone, guys, some magic happens. कि जितना सोचा था, what I had thought, she takes the song somewhere else. And I think that is the speciality of, right from, I'm talking about 20-25 years back, this incident, that तभी भी और आज, it has not changed even today, that when she's behind a microphone, it's magic. And it's my privilege. It's like watching a great batsman or a great cricketer as an umpire, standing right there. I've been that umpire in the music world, standing right across, seeing this incredible genius called Shreya Ghoshal. But that apart, the fact that she's my bestie makes my life easier. बहुत डांटती है मेरे को because I'm kind of technologically challenged. जैसे अभी मुझे टेंशन हो रहा है कि वो जब आएगी तो मैं कौन सा बटन दबाऊंगा. So all that. And she keeps on guiding me, telling me, do this, do that. Even in fact, just 30 seconds before starting this, she said, ki, post this on Instagram stories, not here. So she's like that, Amma. But I am so excited for Shreya Baba, Aja Jaldi Na, to have her. How do I just go live? Technology, please work. Please work. Thank you. Thank you.
God, you are saying, where am I? I have already sent you the request and you couldn't see it?
I know, I'm so sorry. मेरे टेंशन में इतने सारे श्रेया घोषाल फैन क्लब, श्रेया घोषाल छत, श्रेया घोषाल गार्डन, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता.
I'm
so happy.
How is it feeling, Mr. Moitra?
I've become a cook. I've become a cleaner. I have become. I'm thanks to you. I'm wearing this shirt, new shirt.
Even I am dressed up for this because otherwise, you know, the whole day I'm definitely not presentable.
So I must tell, and not just presentable. Suppose I'm calling you up. Most of the people who are watching this, the original tone is hello, hello. And क्या हुआ? I just finished cooking. So you can realize कि यार ये बेचारी जिसको होना चाहिए माइक्रोफोन के बीच में वो बैठ के, but she's a, by the way guys, she's a damn good cook. And yeah, traditional Bengali cooking she's doing. Today, what did you make?
I made, so I think necessity teaches you a lot of inventions. So today it happened to be, Bengalis in this chat will know, kumro with kalo chana diye. Kumro with, like, kumro means kaddu. Hindi में कद्दू बोलते हैं जिसको, वो बनाई मैंने. Like seriously, there was nothing else in the fridge. There was this pumpkin which was almost expiry date पे चला था.
Talking about कद्दू and only thing, एक बार उसके फ्रिज खोला था. She has a huge fridge. मैंने खोला, उसमें एक अदरक था बस और कुछ नहीं था पूरे फ्रिज में. वो अदरक हमको टाटा टाइप का कर रहा था कि हेलो मेरे को भी ले लो भाई, मैं अकेला हूँ पूरे फ्रिज में.
But that day you made eggs with such, you know, different twist to it. So to be so here, everyone who has already joined the chat and who knows me, but I think you know Shantanu Dada quite well. But the main thing about him, he's a superb cook. He is known to be the chef in the group. He cooks some amazing exotic things, but I think in this lockdown he has to make the basics, which is hard for him.
Absolutely.
The basics are most difficult.
Very difficult, and especially I'm doing vegetarian.
So that is a tough one.
Absolutely.
But he loves the egg, so do we. I mean, we all are like egg lovers. We have this common. In fact, talking about anda and the love for anda, I think Gulzar Saab also has the same love for. I think you have. No. He always had.
No.
But
I think I remind this story when I come to that thing, that sarson ka tel wala the story in the studio. But I want to share some stories which usually people don't hear this. So people who are watching this, Shreya Ghoshal का कमाल का quality है कि वो आधा information देती है, पूरा नहीं देती. So which creates amazing confusion. So I'll give you a small example. So this is यहाँ का गाना वाना हो गया. तो पहली बार मैं दिल्ली से, I just entered Delhi, Bombay from Delhi, new kid in the block. Shreya is already a superstar, having sung Devdas. Now one radio interview happened, which is I was very tense. I'm still tense today. So this
otherwise he is just talking like he does not treat me with any respect. That is the truth. अभी पता नहीं क्यों अपना रंग बदल रहे हैं in public. So
तेरे इतने सारा फैन दिख रहे हैं मेरे को. So ऑल इंडिया रेडियो में हम लोग ने रात को इंटरव्यू खत्म होते होते 10 बज गए. So then she was going home and I don't know where she lives. Nothing about Bombay also I know. I'm afraid how will I go back to my house actually. So which was in town.
So I said, Shreya, should I drop you home? She said, no, 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 it's okay. So she had a car, she had a driver, of course. But naturally यार रात के 10 बज गए हैं, एक लड़की अकेले जा रही है, तो मेरे को दिल्ली वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है कि यार वो ग्रेटर कैलाश से कालका जी जाएगी, तो मैंने कहा कि आई विल ड्रॉप यू ना. तो शी सेड ओके. So she's sitting, so we're talking. बात कर रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, घर नहीं आ रहा, घर नहीं आ रहा, करते 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 करीब 18-20 किलोमीटर निकल गए. मुझे टेंशन हो गया, मैं जाऊंगा कैसे. So I said, Shreya, where is your house? I said, Chembur. I said, how far is it? He said, from the studio, it's around 18 kilometers. I said, why didn't you tell me before? He said, no, you kept on insisting, I want to drop you, so it's okay. तो उसको बेचारी को इतना तरस हुआ मेरे पास, and she called up her mom and said, Ma, make some nice demet dalna, which is like egg curry and rice, which was amazing. But this is the amazing thing about her half information. एक और half information बोलना बड़ा जरूरी है.
These were not the days of Google Maps, so
हाँ, correct.
अभी
So
half information चलता है.
She comes to the studio and I said, चल खाते हैं. She said, Shantanu, this is the problem with you. Only you worry about food and all that. You're not serious about work. मैंने कहा ठीक है भाई. तो मैं चुप हो गया. तो then she went inside. हमने काम वाम किया, गाना गा लिया उसने. अब उसको भूख लगी है. She's hungry now. She comes out. She said, have you ordered food? I said, no. Because you told me that only I think about money. He said, this is the problem. You take me for granted. I said, what do I do, man? So this is her. This is the genius called Shreya Gujral.
आज पूरी पोल खुलेगी. I'm so
Shreya,
worried.
something from our first association was
यहाँ
नाम अदा लिखना.
नाम अदा लिखना. So I
And
think
I must-
before I joined, I think you were talking about it. So let me also like share my side of the story, because I think there was this studio called Spectral Harmony, which now is called Sound Ideas. And I did most of my Devdas's recording happened in that studio. It's quite a huge one. It had a couple of different rooms, different studios in it. So Shantanu used to come, and he was already probably doing some, before this film started, you were probably doing some work already, and Bishwadip Da introduced me to you. And
for a lot of people who don't know, Bishwadip Da is one of the most amazing recording engineers that both Shreya and I have worked on. Some of our biggest hits has been engineered by Bishwadip Chatterjee.
Absolutely. He is a legend. I mean, everyone in the industry knows him and how big a part he's played in most of the greatest soundtracks. I mean, when I met him, it felt very unusual because already having worked on Devdas, I had met a lot of musicians and people who were coming and going in the studio who are typically filmy. You know, that filminess, that vibe is there, like wo industry se belong karte hain, the whole vibe is there. So I'm meeting this person called Shantanu Moitra, who had absolutely no air of belonging to this place at all. He comes from this very real person, and I said कि ये तो कुछ like
ये तो टिकेगा नहीं. इसका विकेट तोड़ने वाला है.
No, but that was like it definitely was a welcome change for me, because I also belong to a rather very unfilmy, non-film kind of atmosphere. So that's why I think we clicked the very moment we met. We felt some amazing comfort from the first time I met, and we heard that scratch which you played to me, and later I had to come and dub. So I'm going to sing that. And I had no idea that song was written by Gulzar Saab.
Yeah.
I was so freaked out the moment I knew about it, and I was so thrilled. One of the finest songs that you have made, I have sung. It's one of the most treasured songs by
Thank
us,
you.
for sure,
Yes,
and by
yes.
the fans also.
Yeah.
And, क्या
Okay.
बात है, गिटार लेके बैठे हो, वाह वाह.
और क्या काम है मेरा?
पूछे जो कोई मेरी निशानी, रंग ही ना लिखना, गोरे बदन पे उंगली से मेरा नाम अदा लिखना. कभी कभी आस पास चांद रहता है, कभी कभी आस पास शाम रहती है, ना जहलम में बहलेंगे वादे के मौसम भी
वाह
एक दिन तो बदलेंगे
आहा,
कभी कभी आस पास चांद रहता है कभी कभी आस पास शाम रहती है आपका वाला लाइन
तू ही गा रकसा रकसा यादी जीवे रवि रखवाला जीवे दरा दरा रा 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 रे रे रा दरा रा 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 रे रे रा
जब तुम हंसते हो
आहा
दिन हो जाता है ओ, तुम गले लगो तो
वाह वाह वाह
दिन सो जाता है
क्या लिखा है क्या लिखा है
क्या बात ओ डोली उठाए आएगा दिन तो पास बिठा लेना कल जो मिले तो माथे पे मेरे सूरज
आहा,
लेना
वाह वाह वाह
जरा जरा आस पास धूप रहेगी जरा जरा आस पास रंग रहेगी
आहा, क्या बात यार इट्स
One
सो
of my-
वंडरफुल
it's and the moment I start singing this or even listen to it I feel so nostalgic I get totally exported back to that time it's one of the
Yeah.
most wonderful memories and because when you're starting off everything that you're doing everything you remember I mean I remember every moment of that particular phase
Correct.
every recording every thing that we did in the studios what we spoke of abhi na every in the middle everything has become a blur I don't remember most of the things what I've done in life but those
Beautifully said
it's
because
vivid.
तब ये एक्चुअली सपना था कि स्टूडियो में जाके ऐसा कुछ काम करेंगे एंड एक्चुअली द ऑनेस्ट इज श्रेया इज उस समय the only idea was to create a beautiful song क्या होगा उसका all those things we were too we were not exposed so much what is a hit what is a flop उतना नहीं पता था कि एक गाना गाने को करने को मिल रहा है let's do it nicely इतना ही बड़ा बेसिक था इट्स लाइक लॉकडाउन में अभी वेज कुकिंग जैसे हो रहा है
क्या बात है क्या एनालॉजी है वाह 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 बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई थिंक वी वर वेरी नर्वस एंड the fact that we got a chance and we have to prove also in a way कि पता नहीं कैसे करना है but करना है कुछ अच्छा करना है what is the outcome of it nobody knows like to be honest when I was singing in Devdas मुझे कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ कितने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा हूँ मुझे तो कुछ उसका इतना ज्यादा एहसास ही नहीं था like when it released then I started realizing oh my god it's a big world I've entered into and the whole paraphernalia of it so I think with you yaha was the same experience because till before
Absolutely.
that you were doing everything from Delhi if I am not wrong
true absolutely
all the hits that
Absolutely.
you had with Shubha
I had just done 2 albums
Indie pop Yes.
also आपके सामने anyway
I
but
love that.
but the thing is कि मुझे लगता है कि I have always had the desire to do that one song and run away and you have always said that just hold on for one more film hold on for one more film
yeah
and that process is still on
yes.
I must go on I must go on to Parinita for example and I remember ki I don't know I won't take names but I was trying a few voices and it was and you know how a film is ki there is a director there's a producer there's so many people everybody's got an opinion and I was just a bachcha I was just starting on so mera opinion to comes last So, but you know, I was not happy where the song was going, what was happening. So, एक बड़ा unrestlessness हो रहा था, ये हो रहा था. And I still remember that I think you were flying out that night to abroad. You and your mom had come in the studio. You had come to uh, do another song, and I said, Shreya, can you please try out this song? And I had struggled with that song for the audience to know for around 12 hours before that. सुबह से लगा हुआ हूं मैं, and I'm not getting what I want. And she said, okay, let me just see. She just taken the song. तभी not कि पहले कुछ rehearsal हुआ कुछ नहीं. She just said, an idea was not to do a final recording. कि ऐसे ही जाके कर लो because. And guys, you're watching this. When she went on that microphone and she first sang that, the I was like, I collapsed. I remember Bishwadeep looked at me and said, "Are you okay, Shantanu?" Because I had got what I wanted. I could hear it. And I was like, thank God. And it is such an amazing moment in my life where I realized the power of a singer who can, I was just talking to this before you had come, that how they can take a composition beyond this, and both you and Sonu, of course, I must mention Sonu's name, that both of you were so amazing. And Parinita was the way Vidya, we were all new. Me, Swanand, who wrote, Vidya Balan is there, and you there. But Parinita will always, I will look back at as that one film where we did something which was so close to our heart. Magical. Absolutely.
Every moment of it. But my side of the story is like I've entered this room of all amazing kind of people. Like here, Pradeep Da is sitting and sketching on his sketchboard. Every
Very
shot,
good.
like how every shot of that song is going to look. He's sketching on a sketchboard, literally with a pencil. And you know, how he
Vinod
is.
Chopra.
He's amazing.
Amazing.
Vinod Chopra ji is like all passion, all energy, giving, you know, ideas. And here's this super cool, chilled out guy that is Shantanu Moitra. In the middle of it, like, I am sure that there is a whole, you know, there's a lot of anxiety, a lot of worries, all of that he has within, but he has never showed it in the studio. जो भी होता है ना, इतना smooth sailing, and how that chemistry that we have today, it started right then. That how you understood where I'm getting stuck and what we need to, when we need to fix that line, how do we change it so that everyone likes it, and just that smooth sailing. We were talking about that exactly, how we have managed through so many critical situations, and Parinita is that one example. I think we had some amazing songs which happened through a great teamwork of one of the greatest minds that I've worked with. Like, I'm so proud of that album, and the fact that I got to know you, Pradeep Da, Vinodji,
Swanand,
Swanand,
mad. Swanand is doing this.
Friend, and his madness. Jitna you are cool, utna he is worried, and like they're two like pole apart, and the amazing understanding that both of you have between like all the songs.
You remember when he was singing Pio Bole, suddenly Pradeep said, "Ki, why didn't you laugh?"
And I had no idea how to do all of this stuff.
And Swanand is telling me, ये आदमी क्या कर रहा है? ये आदमी क्या कर रहा है? उसको संभालो. Oh my God, of this thing.
No, actually ना तभी see ये expression का चक्कर ना ज़्यादा मैंने सीखा नहीं था. I was very fresh from that first film, and I had no idea how to laugh without a reason. I mean, how can I laugh while I'm singing? So like दिल की जो बातें हैं, बातें जो दिल की है, दिल ही में रखना पिया. लब तो ना खोलूं मैं, खोलूं ना लब तो, पर आंखों से सब कह दिया. पिया बोले,
Correct.
क्या ये बोले जानू ना. जिया डोले हौले हौले, क्यों ये डोले जानू ना.
ra 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 re ra 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 ri re re ra da re na ri re re ra ra ra
मैंने पूछा इठला के चल दिए कहाँ, दूर तेरे ही का घर है बल खा के चली कहाँ। थोड़ा वो घबराई थोड़ा सा शर्माई,
क्या बात।
पूछी यहाँ से वहाँ, सागर से मिलने का उसका तो सपना था, मेरी ही तरह पिया पियो बोले, पिया बोले,
आहा,
आए बोले जानो ना।
ये wow, this is amazing.
Thank
मैं तो
you. But
वो मैं I forgot that हंसी वाला place. You're right. That was this.
शर्मा की हाँ,
Yeah.
थोड़ा
Tricky.
वो घबराए थोड़ा सा शर्मा।
Correct.
God. Now after that song, Pradeep Da ने मुझे ऐसा train किया how to keep laughing within a song. I think after that when we had done हम तो ऐसे है भैया,
Correct.
you know that film लागा चुनरी में दाग, उसमें भी हंसाया था, हर गाने में हंसाया मुझे। तो then I think after that तो मैं ऐसा प्रो हो गई थी कि कहाँ बोलो आपको किधर हंसना है, कोई भी मुझे बोले ना अभी हंस दो, क्या हंसना हो रोना हो जो करना है, खांसना हो गाने के अंदर I could do that, चीखना हो whatever I can.
I remember when we were doing Lage Raho Munna Bhai, and this is a crazy incident. So usually मैं क्या कोशिश करता हूँ कि पहले जब मैं मीटिंग सपोज श्रेया, तो उस समय स्टूडियो में और कोई ना हो, माने एज इन प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर, सो दैट एटलीस्ट वी गेट द कंपोजिशन इन प्लेस एंड ऑल दैट।
There's peace.
हाँ, सो शी केम एंड उस समय श्रेया का भी बहुत रिकॉर्डिंग्स चल रहा था, तो शी केम, शी यूज्ड टू कम, तो आई लुक्ड एट हर एंड रियलाइज कि उसका आज मूड नहीं है, तो शी से आई सेड कि आज
He's the only one who cared so much कि इसका मूड ही नहीं है। सोचो कोई ऐसा हो सकता है, everyone is like अरे गाना अभी करके देना है, डेडलाइन। This guy is full opposite. हाँ बोलो आगे।
तो बेसिकली मैंने कहा कि आज मूड नहीं है, कहता चल चिल करते हैं, बट चिल, श्रेया घोषाल का चिल मीन्स ऐसा नहीं कि शी इज नॉट सिंगिंग, so we'll sing some old Lata ji song. I think Sachin is there. Sachin Sangvi is in this. I saw him in this thing. Sachin was a recordist that time. So yeah. So hi Sachin. So basically he knows the drill कि जो भी हो रहा है जैसे भी हो रहा है record करो. So Shreya sings Lata ji songs and all that. And शाम को पास में एक चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट था, वहां से खाना वाना आ गया, तो 4-5 घंटे हो गए, अब गुड बाय हो गया, घर चले गए। मैंने श्रेया को बोला, श्रेया सुन आज तो नहीं किया, हमको कल करना चाहिए ना, तो शी सेड हाँ कल करेंगे पक्का, आई विल नॉट कीप एनीथिंग, आई विल कम। नेक्स्ट डे शी कम्स अराउंड 12:30 and unfortunately that day amazing food has happened, some great alu sheddo, dihim, bhat and full Bengali stuff हो गया। Now same position again in the studio, now she looks at me, says mood नहीं है ना, मैंने कहा कि नहीं
इतना अभी तो कितने दिन ऐसा किया,
तो 2 दिन निकल गया था, तीसरे दिन मैंने कहा श्रेया करने पड़ेगा, but the song was so beautifully sung, la 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 tararari re re, गा
थोड़ा ऊपर लो ना। पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल दिल 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 में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल।
वाह वाह,
ओ हम सफर
क्या मूड चेंज था उसमें,
लगता है डर रात कटे ना कभी हूँ सहर इस पल में सिमटे उमर रात कभी हो सफर से है।
स्वानंद मारेगा हमको.
बहुत पीटेगा. तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे कि जैसे खूबसूरत घर. तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे कि जैसे खूबसूरत घर. तू जो है साथ तो ये अंबर लगे कि जैसे साया हो सर पर. तेरे कांधे पर रख कर सर यूं ही कट जाए सारी उम्र.
क्या बात.
हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हर पल.
Excellent. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yay!
And I remember this was the phase, Shreya, when suddenly मैंने अभी तक बंगाली फिल्म कोई किया नहीं था.
हाँ.
I have never done a Bengali film.
Yes.
And in fact, you used to ask me that why don't you do a Bengali film? मेरा हमेशा default setting होता है कि why should it? It's okay, I'm happy here. And he used to push me, do it,
take
yeah.
too much work?
Yeah. And then I remember Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, friend of ours,
Yeah.
Tony, he came up with this beautiful film called Antohin. And usme there's a beautiful song which I must say a little bit about that song because Shreya played such an important role in that song for me. So har gaane mein ek mukhada antara hota hai. That's the usual format of our songs. So I remember when we had done. Is this scale okay? है ना? So
Yeah.
I had done this and I don't know whether you guys know it or not that I always use dummy words and I don't have any lyrics तब तक तो मैं
Best kind of dummy words he uses, like his dummy words, like I mean while you're making a song you have to sing the dummy words also of this song. अरे उसी में तो मजा है यार. Everyone has heard the final product.
চল চালা চলা ধুই ধুলে ধোলা তোমাকে তো আমি কি তরাম কিনে किने সবা তেলে দিলে দিনে দিনে রে দিনাম. तो ऐसा कुछ होता है basically. और and Shreya has to sing it seriously. She can't be non-serious about these dummy words. So she has to have that full passion. Anyway, the interesting part of the structure is कि मैंने ये complete किया and I was struggling for the antara. Antara हो नहीं रहा था. And I always have this luxury of the fact that I always have Shreya sitting in front of me. And I am very, very proud of that. Suddenly मेरे को याद आया कि हमेशा 99% गाना जो मैंने श्रेया के साथ किया है, she is there when I'm composing. Because I feel inspired, I feel कि यार, let me try this. She says, okay, you try it. Shreya herself is a very good composer. And she keeps on thinking, you try this time. She pushes me to give my best. And I think that is an amazing way of working. तो ये गाना करते करते suddenly she came up with an idea. अंतर की क्या जरूरत है? Why does it, if you want to do something different, do something different ना? Why do you want to have अंतराल? तो मैंने फिर क्या करें उस पे? कहता let's do some आलाप. उस समय our friend Pranav, he's an amazing singer, classically trained Rashid Khan student. He was also in the studio. This is the fun stuff. सब साथ में बैठते थे. तो श्रेया से कि प्रणव कुछ करना इस पे. And he did this, and that is what became the song. There is no antara, guys. There is no antara in this song. There is only a mukhada which Shreya sung in different styles. Every time she's repeated, there's a different rendition. And I think that is what is one of my most beautiful songs. Shreya, ho jayega anta.
True that. And I think we are talking about Antohin here. If you probably didn't mention the film. Antohin, of course, became one of the most critically acclaimed film music. We got
4 national awards.
But while this album was being made, we never realized what is going to happen. This has become a milestone for Bengali film music, actually. It started a different revolution and the whole industry kind of changed post this film. But I think it's one of the most beautiful and complete soulful album. If we have to talk about full album, like from the first song to the last song, it feels like a masterpiece. Like it needs to have world recognition. It's that kind of an album. And every song that we recorded was live.
Without
you know, it's not like कि पहले प्रोग्राम कर लिया, पहले ट्रैक बना लिया, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग इसके एक ये मुखड़ा, ये हुक लाइन, ये ऐसे. Everything was happening on the go.
And there was
With
just a
some
physical
finest
click track.
musicians.
That's it.
With
Baki, everybody was playing this thing, and that is the magic was there. And I think Shreya ने बड़ा एक interesting point बताया कि उस समय हमको पता ही नहीं था हम क्या कर रहे हैं. There was no pressure. Tony never told us that give us a great song or
Yeah.
nothing. And I think that
Hats
was
off
the
to him, yeah.
hats off to
He
him
was
because
so involved and he never became like the interfering, like he, nahi, I think we should do this. No, we should. He let us
yes.
own this project fully, which was such a big thing. Like,
And the only
that's why
thing
it
that
happened.
the only thing he used to tell me every day that we are from Calcutta, we are small producers. Your food bill is really like really going over the top if you can control. But you know, encore on guitar and all that. So
Oh
food
God.
so is like
Let's sing it.
Daran.
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আবছায়া জানলার কাছে আমি কে আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি রূপ কথা নাচ কানাচ
Wow.
আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি কাল সোনাকি
Ah,
জানলায় গল্পের কথা মেয়ে
ah,
যাও মেয়ে চোখে রেখো এ আবেগ যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আবছায়া জানলার কাছে আমি কি আমাকে
ah.
ও রূপ কথা নাচ কানা রে না রে
Ah. Ah. क्या बात
रे ना যাও পাখি বলো
Ah.
হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আবছায়া জানলার কাছ.
Ah. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.
Oh God.
Shreya apna muh se to she'll never say these things, but I just have we're having a lot of fun. But I'll tell you something which is uh, 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 I want a serious but an emotional moment for me. I remember the next film that we did for Arunodhara Chaudhary, which was Opportunity to Me, and we had done this idea of doing this a live concert, a small one, in one of the oldest movie theaters in Kolkata.
Yes.
And this was something that we decided to do on our own only. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि there was nothing, no money shani and all that. It was just because we loved music. It was such amazing thrill to create it. So I remember. So the night, the morning when Shreya landed in Calcutta and she entered the hotel, she came with, I saw her walking with the mother. I had one look at her and I knew she's not well. And I walked up to her and her mom very worriedly said that she has 103 temperature. I looked at Shreya, and my first, always, as a personality, I said, Ki, don't sing. And she knows that. She says, I'll be okay. Don't worry. I don't know what she would have done, because in exactly 4 or 5 hours was the show. With 103 temperature, she went on stage, she sang. This is the professionalism of her, and that's why you're all her fans. Is जितना भी छोटा गाना हो, जितना भी छोटा फिल्म हो, या जितना भी बड़ा हो, if she has committed, and not just me, anybody, if she has committed, rest assured, she will fulfill it. And this is what makes Shreya Ghoshal.
रुला दोगे यार.
नहीं यार,
Yeah,
आज नहीं रोते, आज हंसते हैं.
No, but अभी तो ऐसा, अभी ये टेम्परेचर की बात ही मत करो.
Correct.
Just kidding. But Yeah, I fondly remember that thing, and मुझे ना, Shantanu, I believe in supreme power in situations like that. When you have a will to do something with all your heart, you want to be there on that moment and do your best, and you want to do it. वो बोलते हैं ना, जब पूरी when you wish for something, the पूरी कायनात लगा देती है to make it happen. So I think that's what happened, and in spite
Yeah.
of being not well and etc. But when I came to that, so I think it's just when you mind over what you say, like
Matter.
if you put your mind and heart to something, it will happen.
The
No
universe
matter.
comes together too. Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
Yeah,
And
you're right.
what
I
what
am
a
so
lovely
out of words always.
what a lovely sentence you've spoken, because the next story I'm going to say is from that. I remember that when Antuhin had won 4 national awards, and of course Shreya also had won best lyrics, best vocal, best film, best producer, and yours truly didn't get. So Shreya called me up to saying कि you should have got. Anyway, so हो गया, बात खत्म हो गया. This is destiny. When you want something, the universe comes together. There was a film called Na Bangaru Thalli, which was not supposed to be. I was not supposed to do it. Actually, this friend of mine, Sunita Krishnan, who is a human rights activist who works with sex traffickers, she and her husband had made the film, and they had just given it to me to see if it's okay or not. And I'd seen it, and it was a beautiful film, but the music that they had done was not working. And at that time, my 3 Idiots work was going on, and there was a lot of pressure. So मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं उनको बताऊंगा कि music is not working, they will obviously say that, then Shantanu, can you help me? And I didn't have the time. So I remember whenever I had such doubts, I always called you up and I said, Shreya, this is something like this. And she said, yeah, how is the film? I said, it's a very important film. She said, then you should do it. So anyway, so I told them that, look, and no money, nothing, I don't need, because it was obviously for a reason, very small budget. I'll do the score, and George, who was my programmer, and if he's watching, he did such an amazing song. So we finished the score, and I was missing a song which told the story of this girl who was going through this. And I remember I called Shreya कि मेरे को 3-4 line आ रहा है, and I had never done any other language apart from Bengali and Hindi, and you had done so many South Indian films, so that am I on the right direction? And you came to the studio and you sat down, you heard the first 4 lines and said, Shantanu, isko tu complete karte hain, because this is something beautiful. And she sang it, and as magically Shreya Ghoshal sings it. But lo and behold, exactly a few months back, I got a call that you won the national award.
Wow.
And this is that whole story about how universe comes together.
Yeah.
It had to happen, and that touch from you had to happen. Otherwise, the cycle wouldn't have been completed.
Oh. But to be honest, when I heard that story, when I was in the studio, when I heard the narration of what the film is about, I think I have never been very emotional when I go on the mic. I try to not real emotion overpower me while I'm singing. Because it's then I feel that I'm not able to control what I want to sing. But then that particular song, somehow something happened, and it was seriously. And after you watch the film and how you see the clips of the film in the song,
the character struggling. Yeah, I'm giving you a C major.
Let me बहुत दिन गाया नहीं है, but I hope I am singing it right. पावुनै ఒక పావునై మిగిలానా పసి పాపనై కను పాపనై మెలిగానా కలతలో కలలలో కొలనలో కలువనై విరిసానను పిలిచిన మగువుందని తెలిసిందనా ఎప్పుడైనా.
Oh my God.
This
Oh my
is
God.
own Nana means father. Matlab, Nana,
Yeah.
I think this I'm singing in Telugu. There are two languages we sang in.
Yes, we did. We got it.
So the girl is singing for her father that why did you do this to me? Like because
Yeah.
she becomes a sex worker. So I think that's her story.
Thanks to the father. Yeah. That's an amazing. And as usual, so and it was so ironical because in exactly a week later, in that this was the Mahol, we entered again with a song from Three Idiots in the same Mahol. See, this is the life. I was saying कि हम लोग कितना जल्दी चेंज करना पड़ता है ना?
Correct.
And the song was Zubi Dubi. Absolutely mad. Something else. I know this is not part of something a discussion, but I just want to tell something that for me, my weakness is that I cannot jump so quickly like Shreya does. She's brilliant at it. That whatever she's feeling, whatever she's going through, when she enters a studio, it's switched off. I kind of carry it over, and that is why I think she can see what is happening and all that. One of the techniques that I use is that I ask her to sing something, which is not my composition, and something from yesteryears. And ये प्रथा last 20-25 साल से चले आ रही है.
My God.
And one of my favorite songs, and every time I hear her sing, I want her to sing this song because that's my thing. Is that song from Anand? Because I think it's one of the Najiya Lagena, one of the greatest songs that Salda has ever composed. As a composer, I can tell you, it's one of the most complex compositions, but yet there's so much of simplicity. Just 4 lines, Shreya, if you don't mind, just to tell them how I unwind from one mood to another.
But I'm gonna sing the Bangla version of it.
Ah,
Mood बन गया. Already mood बन गया. एक गाना बनाते हैं इसके बाद. না মনো লাগে না এই জীবনে কিছু যেন ভালো লাগে না না মনো লাগে না এই জীবনে কিছু যেন ভালো লাগে না না মনো লাগে না এই নদীর দুই কিনারে দুই তরুণী যতই না বাইনো মোর বাধা কাছে যেতে তাই পারিনি এই নদীর দুই কিনারে দুই তরুণী
मार डालोगे आप.
যতই না বাইনো মোর বাধা কাছে যেতে তাই পারিনি তুমিও পার থেকে তাও সরুনি না মনো লাগে না.
Oh my God. Every time I have goosebumps. जैसे of course लता जी ने गाया है, जैसे सलिता का composition है, music, and Shreya, every time you sing this, it just makes me believe कि इसीलिए तो music करते हैं. For these moments, for this joy. बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है, that's one side, but this is the reason why we do what we do, is because of music is something so dear to, I think, all of us, and of course especially for both of us. यही तो music is the bonding, and our interests and tastes are so similar.
Absolutely. I think the fact that whenever we meet, we have a gang called Bavras. I don't know. I think the Bavras have already joined and they're watching us.
Yeah, Aditya is constantly saying hi.
As usual, we are ignoring him.
Yeah.
Maybe this time Aditya, hi. Because last
I think
time
also Sharda and Shreya also is there, correct? Yeah.
Everyone is here.
Rashmi also there, correct.
This is a shout out to all our friends who are here, probably Aditya, Sharda, Sayami, Vikram, Nilesh, Ariva, Rashmi, Pratik का birthday है आज तो happy birthday. So all of you are here, and every time we meet like this in the evenings and we have these adda sessions, what Shantanu is doing right now for you all, we do it like probably every week once.
Yeah.
We try to meet like this in the evening and we just sing. And of course I sing, Shantanu sings and he plays the guitar, and Swanand sings. But there are some who also want to sing and they also sing. Like we make everyone sing. And we'll not give all the poll call here, but so on that note we'll do कौन सा वाला गाना करना है?
करने के पहले एक छोटा सा चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि one of the common interests of Shreya and Mai is उसकी जिंदगी में apart from parents and Shiladitya is a very very important person called Sherlock.
Person.
Okay.
I like it's a person.
हाँ, और मेरे जिंदगी में is Lara. तो she has a German, it's a Labrador.
He is a golden retriever.
It's a golden retriever, and I have
and Lara is a Cocker Spaniel.
Is a Cocker Spaniel. So मजे की बात है कि suppose she's never disturbed about anything in life, nothing. But क्या हुआ? खाना नहीं खा रहा ठीक से. कौन नहीं खा रहा? Sherlock. क्यों? नहीं, कल हमने उसको चिकन और राइस और दाल भात दिया था. मैंने कहा भाई मेरे को थोड़ा दे दे वो खाना. So, and pampering, how Shreya pampers Sherlock is, guys, you won't believe it. He has a separate bed and this. वो मतलब कि महाराजा है वो, महाराजा. This incident I have to say.
हमारे घर का बेटा है. Like how Laru is actually Lara, dear Lara, is a tiny little dog, but she is actually Mashima. You know?
Correct.
She's a senior citizen.
Yeah.
So we have to respect, but she behaves like puppy, and Sherlock is
also
never
behaves like
gonna
puppy.
behave. Huh? He was a puppy. Like... Not so much of a puppy, but he definitely behaves like one. And
so one day I went to Shreya's house and I asked her, how is Sherlock? I'm training when no, he's very well behaved. There's no problem. ठीक है. Okay, so this guy, you must hear this. Huh? So हम जमीन में बैठे हुए, मैं गिटार लेके बैठा हूँ. हाँ, और वो गा रही है. Suddenly, Sherlock, and he's huge, huh, guys? He's huge. He comes between the guitar and me. There's a huge dog, and he's looking at me and tattooing me. मैंने कहा तूने मेरे को बोला ये well behaved है, कहता नहीं पता नहीं आज क्या हो गया उसको. So this is the kind of fraud he is. वो सामने खड़ा होकर से पूरा गाना सुना. So
सुना ना,
such a darling.
Such a
darling. He's such a darling.
Inspiration चाहिए ना. When I sing ना, he sits very quietly because you were बेशुरू बजाচ্ছিলে তুমি তখন, তাই জন্য.
True, absolutely. And actually, I'm very impressed with me today. আমি শুনেও যাচ্ছি. Zubi Dubi is the most requested song by mothers whose children don't eat. Because I've been told many times कि वो गाना बजा देते हैं और बच्चा खा लेता है. तो ये is a great nutrition for kids. The Zubi Dubi. Okay. কি করব? সি माइनर दो है ना.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम. Zubi-doo, pa-ram-pa. Zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, pa-pa-ra. Zubi-dooby, pa-pa. Zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, nache kyun pagal stupid one. Pa-da-ba-da, zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, pa-pa-ra. Zubi-dooby, pa-ram-pa. Hey, zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, nache kyun pagal stupid one. शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे, दीवानी किरणें गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे.
हाँ
बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। आई 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 जुबी डूबी पारा जुबी डूबी पारम पा, ए
हाँ
जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल शुबेर।
ah. So this madness, who else will do? Behind the microphone on that day, you should see. वो and in Shreya का एक कमाल का style है. When she's doing these kind of songs, ना, she takes the ball आगे. I'm a wrong person to show this, sorry, but she takes the ball आगे and then does this and then she puts it back. So basically उसने basically erase कर दिया hard disk. Now the man
माता
Shreya
चढ़ गई है।
हाँ अब now she will sing in a crazy way. Oh my God, it's microphone techniques you must learn from. We will do a session some other day in life, but basically that ability to be crazy, wild, yet the microphone technique is absolutely bang on, and these are things that I always
I've learned
watch her
it,
and
yeah.
notice.
Shantanu, we have learned it together. To be
Yeah.
very honest, you started pretty much the next year in films, like since I started. So we are almost in the same time we have entered this industry, and you have to admit that only experience teaches
Absolutely.
every bit of how to whether the mic techniques, the composition techniques, what is working, what is not. Only trials and
बिल्कुल.
errors and all of that is taught us
And
everything.
you should never be afraid to try it. You know,
Of course.
and that's why good friends are very important, who will be honest and say, hey, this is not working, this is working, this is very important.
Right.
I have to mention a very, very important step in our life, which was Gulzar Translates Tagore.
Yes.
And for both of you and me, and of course, Shan, this was such an important album. A little background is the fact that Gulzar loves Shreya. And I'm very
so
emotional
lucky.
when I talk about this, because uh, he's like that. He's like that. He's so loving. I'll have a small incident which I'll tell you, that Shreya had just got married. And काफी दिन गुलजार साहब से मुलाकात नहीं हुई थी, एंड वी हैड वांटेड कि यार ये एल्बम साथ में बैठ के करेंगे. सो शी वुड ऑफन कम टू गुलजार साहब हाउस एंड ऑल दैट, बट उस दौरान बिकॉज शी वाज गेटिंग मैरिड, तो काफी दिन आना नहीं हुआ था. शी कीप्ट ऑन आस्किंग कि बिटिया कैसी है. एंड तो उस दिन श्रेया सेड इफ यू आर गोइंग देन आई विल कम अलोंग. आई सेड ओके. सो आई पिक्ड हर अप एंड वी वेंट टू गुलजार साहब हाउस. मुझे इंसिडेंट तक क्लियरली याद है. तो बाट के बात हो रही थी. शी सेड कि भूख लग रही है. गुलजार साहब हाँ मुझे भी लग रही है. तो शी सेड कि आपके यहाँ पे तो बड़े बड़े, एंड गुलजार साहब हैज एन अमेजिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ अचार्स, अमेजिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ अचार्स. तो श्रेया सेड कि चलो अचार खाते हैं. कहता है मेरे पास एक बड़ा अच्छा नया अचार आया है, एंड सॉरी दिस 1 minute 40 seconds remaining. की करबो? What do I do?
If it stops, and I'll put a request again, and you then start again.
टेक्नोलॉजी मेरे को करना पड़ेगा रिस्टार्ट? नहीं तू कर देना ना.
No idea. I've never done this myself.
तो मैं करता हूँ. मेरे को हे भगवान. एनीवे मेरे साथ क्यों होता है 1 minute 20 seconds. एनीवे सो द पॉइंट इज कि so she was going up to get the achar in the first floor. So I said, Shreya, we'll ask somebody to get it now. Why are you going? Gulzar sir says, telling me, बिटिया अपने घर आई है, उसको तो पता होगा कि अचार कहाँ है. It's such a beautiful line that the daughter has come home after marriage. Obviously, she'll know where the achar is. So let her go and get it.
Yeah.
So that is so Gulzar.
So loving. He's so loving. And I think very few privileged people like us, I think, have had that affection from him. And when you know him now, then you feel that you have known somebody who is not just a vidwan. Like उनके दर्जे तक कोई पहुंचने की मतलब हिम्मत भी नहीं कर सकता. इस दर्जे का पोएट, राइटर, philosopher, everything. But the humility and the affection that he can give to somebody is incredible. It just feels like, seriously, when I go to his house, it feels like सच में घर आए हैं.
Sure, 10 seconds are left. कट जाएगा. So I will do this and put you in. 5, 4, 3. We are going now. Bye. Okay. Shit.